Hey everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. Today I'm sharing a life-changing strategy to teach yourself any programming skill and master it in less than 3 months. And the best part is you don't need a fancy degree or expensive courses. All you need is ChatGPT's code tutor feature and a solid learning plan. Ready to level up your coding game? Let's dive in. First thing first, why 3 months? Studies show that with focused effort and the right tools, you can learn the fundamentals of any skill in just 90 days. The most important part is consistency and a clear roadmap. So let's look at how it works. So let's go. So first thing we want to do is to open our browser. Okay, let me make it. I think there is okay, open our browser and go to chatgpt.com. Okay, so once you open ChatGPT like this, you go to explore. Okay, once you open explore, you will see a lot of other tools that you can use, but in this tutorial we want the code, this guy. So in case you will not see it here until you add it, so that's why I'm following this way for you. So what you need to do is write code tutor. And you write code tutor. You see this is code tutor, so you open code tutor. It's free. So what you need to do is to start our chat. Okay, now that the code tutor is open, the first thing at this process, we want to believe that you know nothing about programming, don't have any programming skill, so you are here to learn something new. So what we want to do is to prompt this code tutor to talk to us, or like he's our instructor. So what we want to do is this. Now give it some prompts. So the prompt will be like, so now that the code tutor is open, let's talk to the code tutor, tell him to teach us something or how we can go about the program. So let's ask him something. Hi. Okay, next thing you should do is to tell him what you really want this code tutor to do for you. So you like, I am a total beginner. I have a total beginner. I have no prior knowledge about coding, and I want to learn that's programming. How do I go about it? So then you press enter. See, okay, awesome. Starting with programming, especially with language like that, is an exciting. See, it's now giving us something, it's guiding us how to set up the environment, start learning the basics. You get the logic. So once it is done, we will now ask this AI to curate, write us a beautiful curriculum for us. So let's go. Okay, write a beginner friendly curriculum for me to learn the Dart and Flutter program, Flutter, there's a Flutter skill in 3 months. 3 months. So this way, it will give us a clear guide curriculum that will guide us for the 3 months, and this is what we want to do. So after the curriculum, okay, let's wait for it to complete. Good, good. You see our curriculum. It has given us a very detailed curriculum on how to start mastering our that basics. And this is the 3 months curriculum. See, week 1, week 2 to the last week. This is a complete curriculum to learn both Dart and Flutter. So what you need to do is, because you don't want to always come back to the, you maybe sometimes you might forget to save this screen, or maybe you didn't log in. So what you will do is to copy this thing, copy this whole curriculum, then we open our notes, right, and paste it here. Okay, because we want to be following this our note. So this way we can easily follow our notes, our curriculum and code. Some if you can create, if you have a Google calendar, you can create a calendar to notify you maybe the time you want to start learning, right? Every day to remind you, or create a reminder for yourself so that the calendar will be reminding you so that you don't forget. See, so this way we can start learning. So what you need to do is, the first thing is to copy this, right? This part, right? Learn the Dart programming. What is that? You can go and start writing all this. So, okay, now you can, first thing we want to do is to copy this part, or the goal one, right? Copy this part. Okay, copy this part. Then we'll come back to our AI. Then we say, okay, you paste it again. You paste the first part you want to learn, and you tell the AI to kindly explain the above. Explain the above in detail for me. Remember, always tell me, remember, I am a tutor what? Beginner. Right? I'm a tutor beginner. As you press enter, it will give us a detailed explanation. Okay, so now our code is generated. You say it explains the programming language, everything you need to know about that, and variable type, data type, constants, printing output to the console, and many other and many others. You see, write your first programming word, and here it's explained. Now that you know the basic, let's write a simple program that displays hello world in the console. Step 1, open that pad, This is an online playground where you can write and run that code without installing anything. So let's try this out. So first thing, we want to copy this code. Okay, we want to copy this code because this is what we want to test. So let's first write our what hello world programming. So you go to the browser. This is that part already. I've already opened it. In case you don't know, you can simply open a new browser and write that pad, datpad.dev, right? Datpad.dev. Once you enter, say yeah, this is datpad.dev. So we copied this code, right? So let's paste it here and see the outcome for ourselves. So we paste it here, we save, we say print hello world, and let's try run it and see the outcome. See, got hello world. So this is the simple step, and we can, if you want to try some other things, you can just try some other ones. So let's also test this one and see how it works. So we copy this, we come back to this place again, we change this line, to my name is John, and run again. You see, my name is John. It's working. The same way you can try to test some other ones. Let's also test this one and see. Copy this one. You should not be copying this code. You should be writing it because you are learning it. So me, I already know this thing. That's why I'm copying. In your case, you should be writing it like this: void main int age equals to 20. I am age. Right? You should come here and be writing it, because it is by practicing it on your own that you will be able to master it. So it should be like void main, right? You come here, like you write the void main, then you come here and look, sorry, okay, you come here and look what, okay, int age equals to 20. So you come here, then you write int age equals to what? 20. Int age equals to 20, right? Int age equals to 20. Then you come here and check the next line. Okay, what's the next line? You take this line, right? You should be writing it. Don't copy it because I'm recording it. I just need to be a little bit fast, so I am copying it. You see, age is this. My age. Okay, it's supposed to be my age. This is my age and not just age. So let's correct it. So my age. Yeah, see, the error is gone. Let's check. Let's confirm it here very well. And you see that it is my age and not just age. Okay. Not just age. So let's run the code. Let's see if it's here. If we run the code, you see, I am 20 years old. So apologies in case you don't understand what is happening. Simple, the same thing. You copy this code, you come to your code tutor and ask again, please kindly, okay, it's already explains it, right? It's already, if the explanation is not good enough or is not a bit clearer for you, the same thing, you can just paste it and tell him to kindly explain, kindly explain this block of code like I am 5. You see, I am 5. And you press enter. So let's see how it explains this line of code for you. So all right, let's make this super simple. Imagine you are telling a computer how old you are and the computer will repeat it back to you. Let's break it down. See, void main, this is like the start button for your program. When you press run, the computer looks inside this main block to see what to do first. Int my age equals to 20. Think of my age as a little box where you store your age, just like that, blah blah blah. It's explain it, break it down to your understanding as a total beginner. So this is how you can learn any other type of programming in less than 3 months. Not just programming, you can learn any skill, you can learn any other skills by yourself with this AI tool. Um, so feel free to practice, learn more, do some other things. I remember after this one, the next thing you should do is to go to your note and continue from where you stop, right? After you've mastered this line, after the first week, you can go to your note and start from what the second week until you mastered everything. In less than, I bet you, in less than 3 months, you will master any type of programming language you are learning using this pattern I'm explaining to you. Okay. So and there you have it. In just 3 months, you can go from zero to hero in any programming skill with the help of ChatGPT's code tutor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up, share it with your fellow learners, and subscribe to our channel. For more tips and tutorials, let me know in the comments which programming skill you are excited to learn, and let's cross those goals together. Until next time, happy coding.